Hello, engineers. Today we will look into the various opportunities for engineers in the banking sector and what all subject they have to study and the roles they can play in the banking sector and the kind of skills required by them. So first we will see the informations and technology side and software engineering side. What the roles they can play is core banking software development, application and mobile banking platforms, ATM and digital wallet systems, and IT infrastructure and cybersecurity. And the skills required is Java, Python, SQL, .NET, core banking platform like Finacle and Flexcube, and cybersecurity tools and firewalls knowledge also required by them. When we look into the cybersecurity and information security area, the roles they can play is protecting the banking system from cyber threats and conducting security audits and compliance checks, developing fraud detection systems. The skills required is ethical hacking, penetration testing, knowledge of PCI DSS, ISO 27001, security tools like SIEM, firewalls, encryption, etc. So that is the way they can work in the cyber security and information security area. When we look into the data science and artificial intelligence and analytics, they have the roles of customer segmentation and credit risking scoring, fraud detection and using machine learning, predictive analysis for lending and investment. These are the roles they can play, and also the skills required is Python/R, SQL, Power Business Intelligence, Tableau, machine learning models, NLP, deep learning, and big data tools like Hadoop, Spark, etc. So this is the skill set required. Then they can also get into the banking operation and process engineering. The roles they can play is process automations and optimization, then workflow design and system integration, digital transformation initiatives. They can take responsibility. The skills they are required is Lean Six Sigma, and BPM tools, UiPath, Blue Prism for RPA, process automation, and ERP and CRM platforms. So these all things skills are required by them for getting into the banking operations and processing engineering. Fifth one is that fintech product development. So the roles they have is building products like UPI, payment gateways, trading apps, blockchain based banking services, then insurtech and regtech solutions, the regulations, technology solutions. They can play those kind of roles, and the skills required is API integration, blockchain, smart contracts, mobile app development, and UK UX and UI for financial apps. That is the interface, the user interface for financial apps. These are all the skills required in that particular area. Then they can go for network and infrastructure engineering. The roles they have: managing banking networks like LAN, WAN, and cloud, setting up secure communication channels, and disaster recovery and backup systems. So that is the roles they can play in network and infrastructure engineering. The skills required is that network protocol, cloud computing, AWS and Azure, and firewalls, VPN, and data centers. These kind of skills are required in this particular area. Then they look for AI-driven customer service like chatbot, virtual assistants, where they have the roles to play for designing AI chatbots for banking queries, voice enabling banking, personal finance, automation tools. And the skills required is NLP, then conversational AI platforms like Dialogflow and Rasa, API connectivity, integration with CRM systems. These all in the customer side, service side applications they can work. And as you know, that banking sector that hire engineers for the different banking people, they hire is from the public sector banks. Many banks, SBI, PNB, etc. Many banks are available in public sector, and private banks like HDFC, ICI, Axis Bank, etc. Then fintech companies, Razorpay, Paytm, PhonePe, all these are fintech companies. and investment banking banks like Goldman Sachs, JP Morgan, all those kind of people, and also regulatory authorities like RBA, NABARD, SEBI. Through special exams and recruitment, they are taking engineers for these kind of roles. So engineering streams with high banking scopes are these branches, engineering branches, computer science and IT. They have very high banking relevance, and electronics and communication. They also very high. They have high banking relevance. In networking and all those kind of things, and electrical engineering, moderate to high, they have the opportunities. Mechanical and civil, they have relatively low roles to play, and high if upskill in technical and analytics, like that, if they have that kind of additional skills. Data science and AI, those branches also have very high scope in the banking sector. So, how engineers can enter the banking sector? Through campus placement in tech or IT roles, or clearing banking exam like IBPS, SBA PO, RBI Grade B for officer levels, joining fintech startups, and later on transitioning into banks. Through lateral hiring for specialized skills like cybersecurity and analysis, and upskilling in finance plus technology domains, and like some example certification in banking plus data science, and all those things can help engineers to getting into the banking sector. So hope that this information's going to be useful to you, those people who are already in the technical side and they have some love for the banking sector. They can look for this kind of jobs. Thank you for watching this video. Hope that you will come back to me again for other kind of opportunities for engineers. Those people want to take serious to grow in their career and in life, they can join engineers growth program. And those people just want to get the information about these engineers opportunities and career and life growth, they may please subscribe to the channel, like it, and share it. So thank you very much. See you again.